So basically, I'm creating another page. As I said, I'm gonna call it about us. That's HTML. I have not changed anything at all. I'm just gonna come and save it here. If you look at this here, back we have another page called about us. Now I just changed it. I just create. It's the same thing. Now I can either double click it. I'm gonna double click it here, and we have it here. Okay, it's that page, but nothing has changed. Now, why the reason I changed it because I want to keep that one so for your reference, but we're gonna move on to some other things here. So this is what I do. Okay, let's do something else. We are into a page called About Us. You see here it's called About Us. That's the name of the page. Okay. Now I'm gonna color this one here. Let's say yellow, just for the sake of being different. I'm gonna save it. Are you with me? Okay. Okay. I save it. Um. Uh. Oh yeah, I made a mistake. You know why it did not change? Because I have this one here in front of it. Because it's that one is only you put that pound sign when you're putting a number, but you when you put the name of a color you remove it. Okay, so we all it's a good thing to you learn. Let me refresh it now. Okay, now you see it's yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna change the background color as well. Let me put it like I don't know. If I put a black order, will vanish. I'm gonna literally put it white, which is FFF and CCC. It's gonna be whitish. It's not be completely white. This is not gonna work because I have to put a pound here. When you move from numbering into you move from naming the color into numbering, you put the pound, vice versa. Okay, let's try. Yeah, when you spell out the real color. Okay. Now you see the background is kind of a little yellowish, kind of whatever. Okay, because of this one here. Let me change this color here to it's red, so something little for the paragraph there, so it's visible. Now, okay, there's one thing I want to do. The reason I wanted to ask you about page, we're gonna move into some interesting. Okay, well, let me say, I don't know. Actually, there's something called link. I'm within my website, but I want to go to see something on CNN, for example. I'm just gonna do something like that. Let's say I'm writing an article. Oh, let's come here first. Here, I'm gonna type CNN. Um, or well, let me come and save it. I refresh it. You see CNN there, right? But now let's say, and I'm clicking on. There's nothing on it. Okay, I have an article. Let's say something. I want someone to go to a website called CNN, for example. I'm gonna open something here, and let me explain this to you for a second. HF equal, and I'm gonna close something here called okay. What's A? When you see a opening and close somewhere here, forget about this one here. First of all, let me close it. You see here, A opened and A closed. You're talking about a link. That means something within that enclosure gonna be clickable. It's gonna go somewhere. Now I return what I had. It is just horizontal reference here. You don't need to understand that. It's just a code. It's href. You're gonna be using this all the time. But even if I come and I save it, we go nowhere because guess what? CNN is there. Let me click on it. You're gonna see. Okay. I click on it. We go nowhere because I did not tell him where to go. Okay, let's come here. I go to CNN.com. Okay, this is just me. I tapped this one myself. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this guy here. I'm just gonna copy him and I'm gonna bring it here. This is how you do it. You do http www.cnn.com. I didn't have to copy it. Hopefully this one works. I hope it works. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna try this. If it does not work, I'm gonna probably put an S here. Let me just do this one here to be on the safe side. You don't have to put the S. S1 is just means our website um, is secured, but sometimes it's gonna require you that. Sometimes it won't, but don't worry about it right now. Okay. Let's come here. We're gonna refresh. I'm back to this is our page. Okay. I'm gonna refresh it again, but let me click on it now. Okay. I click on it. Poof. You see, your connection is now private. Okay. I think let me remove that S there. I think it's causing me a problem. Let me come and save it, and let's refresh it again. What's going on here? Attackers might be trying to steal your information from CNN. What in the world is trying to tell me? Uh, advance. Uh, proceed to CNN. Whatever. I don't know why it's giving me. Uh, I don't know if there's something else in there that I'm not seeing in your website, in your page, or. Yeah, the reason normally it wanted to take me here. I wanted to go here, but I do not know why it is a shape purpose. Okay, let me just go to something else. Give me one of the websites you know in Canada. These CNN people are sometimes complicated. Any website you know in the like some kind of major one on the television, radio, or CRA. That like that CA. Okay. Now let me copy this one here. I hope this guy doesn't cause us any problem. Uh, uh, yeah, we should be fine with this guy here. We're gonna call it Canada revenue or something. I am covering a lot of things in the at the same time, so you understand. Let me go back here. This is a normal website here, okay? Now let me click on it. Let's see where it takes us. You see? Okay, we doing good. Yeah, I don't know. CNN has some issues. Maybe they don't like me because I don't like them that much anymore. Okay, that was the point. The point I was trying to make to you is that this is a link. You're gonna be using this all the time. This is just a link. This is how you link to a page. This is how you link to someone. Okay, but notice one thing here again. We were here. I click here, and automatically we into another page, but we lost our page, right? Well, I can do something else to tell him that whenever I click you, don't worry, we're gonna know how to remove this underline later on and do the decoration there all the time later on. Now, as I say, I'm gonna click on it, but I just want to stay in my page. For example, you have people that come to your website, you want to show them a video of someone else's website, but you want them to see the video but to stay within your page, not to lose your page. So what you want to do here, you come here within the link, you do target. I'm going to target this way. I want you to create me another blank page. That's all it is. Target should be the blank page. I'm going to come, file, and save this one here. Let me refresh our page. The reason I refresh it is so that the code that I just changed becomes valid here. Now, look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on it. Let me close the Canada page. I'm gonna click on this guy right here. Look what's gonna happen. Uh-oh, we're still in there. Oh, we missed it. Oh no, we got it right. We got it right. You see, something else popped up here. Okay. Let me close it. I click it again. You're gonna see we got one, two, three open window, but there's another fourth gonna add up. You see? Yeah. You see? That's just because of this guy here. Okay. Now, you learn about links there. There's so many things you can change, but that's the basic thing right there. Now, you can learn how to remove the this guy under here. You can do all that. One thing I'm gonna do real quick. Um, I can do a class here as well as we did. Class equal uh, something if I want to, okay? But I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna come here, do something within. Remember, I'm within the style. I'm doing all this. I'm just gonna do a dot. Uh, Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do a just like I did with body. I'm gonna do decoration, deco, de, uh, decoration, none. Okay. All I'm trying to tell this website is that I don't want no decoration associated with the link. Okay, we're gonna do other decoration later on, maybe next week when you pass the mouse and he blinks and all those stuff. Okay, I'm going to file. I save every time you save, otherwise it will not recognize. And I've refreshed here. Um, Look like something did not go through. Let me see here. A dot a dot. Decoration none. Save it. I don't know why it's not picking it up. Give me 1 second. Mm, I'm probably putting the syntax wrong there. Uh, uh, okay, let me try something. I think I did something wrong. Let me try this one here and this one here. I hope it works. Okay, still not working, but forget about it. I'll do it later on. But there's something I'll pick it up. There's something I'm writing wrong. There's something I need to show you here. For example, when it comes to these links here, let's try decoration on or forget about all this. Let me do color, color red or something. I do not know why my A guy is not obeying me at this time. Okay, finally. Now, I did the same thing. All I was telling it is like color should be red for the link, whatever. There's one more thing I can tell him is that uh, Okay, I'm gonna do some. Look at what I'm gonna do here, just real quick. I do a dot, and all I'm saying hover color black. All I'm trying to tell you, when somebody passes a mouse on top of a, okay, change the color to black. I'm gonna go and save it. I'm gonna come and refresh this place, and let me try. You see what happened? So when you pass a mouse on the link, sometimes you change the color. That's what it is. Okay, as simple as that. We can go from there. Now, there's a couple more things I wanted to show you. I think it's 8:52. We got about 20 more minutes if you don't mind. There's a couple more things. I'm just trying to think if I have forgotten any before I jump into that. Okay, we linked this website to Canada Revenue, right? Well, let's say we just want to link it to our homepage, our main page that we work with before. Uh, a and I close a here, home, okay, or like homepage or something, homepage. Now right now, just okay. Now remember, this is our friend right here, reference friend. All I'm trying to tell you, homepage go to index.html. Remember we had a page called dash html. Okay, but look at this. That page is within the same thing. Is within the. It's here as well. That page. We got index and we got about here. I'm working with about as I'm telling about when I click homepage, go to index. Okay, I'm gonna save it. I save it, and I'm gonna refresh this place. We got homepage here, right? Let me click on homepage. You're gonna see what's gonna happen. I click on it. We back into our original page. Okay, and I go back to it. That's all it is. Now this one here is I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna introduce to you something that I think is very important. I just did all this to show you about what I'm about to show you. Okay, now let me save. I'm gonna save as. I'm gonna save this one. We're gonna name it. Let me just know. I don't know. Let's just name it like a donation or something. No, donation is gonna confuse you. Let's go like yeah, donation doesn't matter. Donation, that's html. Remember, I'm gonna go down here, click all file, and then save it. Okay, it's a donation. If you come here, so our website has three pages: about us, donation, and index. Now we're working with the donation. Okay, now let me close the other pages. We just need one open. Maybe we're gonna stay with this one here. Okay, the little concept I'm gonna introduce right now is very important. You're gonna be using it. Everybody with me? Okay. Okay. Now, I'm gonna erase everything. I'm not gonna erase everything, but let me just do something here. I'm gonna make it invisible. Remember the tag I showed you? I open up here and I close here. Let me save it first. You're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna save it and let me refresh this place page. Uh, oh no, this is the wrong page I got open here. Um, I need to open the donation page first of all. It's right here. Okay, you see the donation page is blank, right? This is it right here. Because all I told him is like everything within this bracket not gonna be visible anywhere. Okay, that's all I did. So it's basically it's the same code. You remember the one that I put here? It is being visible. Nobody sees it, but it's there. It's just for your own sake, comments as you're writing, and you're doing all the stuff. You got thousands of lines, and you gotta retrieve yourself. Now, the reason I did that so it stays, maybe I need it later on, but um, there's something I'm gonna introduce. Is called div. This is one of your best friend here. This tag right here is important. Div. Okay, I'm gonna call him our best friend. Okay, I'm gonna save him, and I'll show you something in a minute. Okay, our best friend is there. Okay, cool. Now, why did I show you this website before? Let me make it bigger. You see, from here to here, you see where my finger is there? Where's the mouse is here? Follow the mouse, follow the mouse. From here to here, it's a div. To here, it's a div. That means it's a division of the website. That's all it is, of the page. Think of div as a division. So it's one division here. This picture to this picture here to the end is a division as well. This from this picture to, I would say probably somewhere around here is a division as well. From here to maybe here's a division, and there should be a division here as well. Okay, this is just the way websites are divided on one page. It helps you organize things. Okay, very easy concept. Now let me go and show you something about it really quick. It's really easy. If I just retrieve my pages here, I'll be fine, I think. Where's the other? Okay, okay. And my friend here. Oh, I made him big. Okay, be back. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call this guy ID equal logo. For example, I'm gonna call another one here div. I open and I close. I'm dividing the website. That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna call this one here. What did I say? I'm gonna call it maybe donation, just like that. Well, I did not name him. I'm gonna equal donation. Okay. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna call him Dave here. I'm gonna call this one class on purpose. I'm using just two so you can use both. Okay. I'm gonna call this one word, just words, for example. Yes. I'm sorry. Okay, no, check this out. The donation here is just the name of the page. It's this page here called donation. Now, division here is just a division called donation within the page. Yeah, that's all. It's gonna make sense to me because I create something. Now I'm gonna call this one here. Let me see. One, two, three. Oh, we'll call this word. Yeah, and we're gonna call this one here. Okay, I'm doing all this in modern. All you gotta do copy paste. They invented copy paste, so we don't have to do all that. Copy and paste, and I'm gonna call this one here address. Okay. Now I'm just gonna call them address. Now I'm gonna come file and save. Okay, simple, nothing major gonna happen, but just see what's gonna happen here first. I right click. We got our best friend on the top there. We got donation, we got word, and we got an address, right? Okay, cool. Now bear with me here. We got IDs. Oh, I forgot to here. I thought you would catch me on this one here. I did this wrong. ID equal class equal same thing. Okay, just different. Let me save this. Now I'm gonna come here. Um, I can do something here. There's another way you can comment within the style here. If I want to write a comment in the body, I write a comment this way. Let me see. I write a comment in the body this way. This is just a comment, okay, not visible, okay. But if I write here, I'm gonna do something like this. You do this, okay. That's how you write a comment within the style, okay. It's different. I just want to say, okay, decoration for divs. Divs, okay. Divs just stands for division of the website, so the page, whatever you want to name it. Now, uh, this is nothing. I just put a comma. I didn't have to put it at all. I just want to make a difference so you don't, you know what we're gonna do now. I am going to do one thing here first. Before we go over there, I'm gonna come here. I am gonna put something. I'm gonna take our best friend out. Okay, bear with me. It's very important. IMG stands for image. SRC, that means search for. It's a short thing that is actually to search for the image. When you see IMG, it's always followed by this one here. All I'm trying to say is like find the image. Where is the image? Well, remember the image is here, but it is named. I call it logo. Okay, and it is saved and under the type. Let me bring up here for you can see. Let me click on this. I don't know if it's gonna give me. No, it does not. But let me see. I'm gonna right click here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the way because there's so many extension. This is a PNG image. It can be a JPEG image, just any image. Okay, I just put PNG because it's really easy to work on website. It can be a JPEG, whatever. Okay, I just put the PNG there. Um, Now the reason I showed you all that is to say that when I'm in my, I'll say, go find me that image here. And he is in the folder called image. And his name is logo.png. Okay. So he's searched a image, search me an image that it is in a folder called image that is into the name of the image is logo. That's all I did. I'm gonna go file and save, and I come here. I'm going to refresh. Okay. All right. You see what's going on? But then I'm gonna make it big. You see, we got Ottawa there. Okay. Now it's getting a little bit interesting. But one thing I'm gonna do is since this is kind of big, you see, it is not shrinking. It is not. It's, we gotta go this way because we have not taught it yet. But we're gonna do it in a few minutes. Okay. We're gonna taught it shrink. I did all this on purpose. I'm gonna go to the second one. Um, I'm gonna create another one. That one I think his name was okay. Copy paste here just to make my typing easy. I'm just doing it to make easy. A copy paste. It's the same reasoning behind it. Okay, that's all. And it's an image, but the one I think I call, I don't know if I called it. Let me. I can't remember these names, but it's well. Let's just do about us, whatever that is. Okay, I'm just gonna call it about us, for example. Are you with? Okay. Are you with me? Okay, about us. Okay. Now we're gonna come here. I saved it, and what's the other one? Let's just do the other one so we don't save time. The other one was word of the day. Okay. Uh, Here I'm gonna change it so I don't get confused. Okay. I'm just gonna say word. No, 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 no. About us. It's gonna make sense in a little while. Okay, here I'm gonna copy paste the same thing, and I think it was how did we call that picture? Word of the day. Okay. Um, okay. Oh no, it's not gonna work like that. Okay. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna refresh here. Okay. hmm Okay. This is what we got. We got Ottawa about us word of the day. Okay. Big pictures, don't make no sense why I put big pictures like that. But I just want to show you how they divide, because you see this picture, you see how they're dividing the website, the pages. Yeah. So this is a whole division by itself. And sometimes what I do, where was I at? Let me do something here.